Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Brigit application on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and go into your search bar and search for Brigit just like that. Once you've done that, go ahead and download and install this application right over here and click on open. Now in order for you to go ahead and log in, just tap on this login button which is down here which says already have an account, login, and all you need to do is go ahead and enter your phone and it's going to send you a text code on your mobile device which you have to go ahead and enter it back and enter your password, and there you go. Or you could also go ahead and do it with your email by tapping here. Same process again, is going to send you a code and then you can go ahead and set a password. Or remember, if you don't remember your password, you can forget your password. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.